Hello. In this video, we want to find the area of triangle ABC. Now, you observe closely that in this triangle, there is a vertical line that is perpendicular to line BC. This is this vertical line. We can call this one AD. Okay? Now, AD is a perpendicular line to line BC. And so, for that reason, we are going to use a method that is easier to find the area of this triangle instead of wasting our precious time. So we need to find the length of BC first. The length of BC is going to be BD plus DC. Okay, BD plus length DC, which is what? BD is 8 meter plus length DC is 16 meter. So that gives us what? 24 meter. So the length of BC is 24 meter. Now, there's a formula for calculating this type of triangle because it is a right angle triangle. It is right angle because of this vertical line. So we have two right angle triangles here. We have ABD and ADC. They are what? They are right angle triangles inside the entire triangle ABC. So for that reason, we have got what we call perpendicular height. So AD is perpendicular height to triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC now, that is the entire triangle, the whole triangle, will be half multiplied by the base times height. That is, we call it base area times perpendicular height. So that will be what? Half times. Now, the base area now is BC. BC multiplied by our perpendicular height now is AD. So that implies it's going to be what? Half times our BC, which we have gotten before, is 24 meter, times our AD, perpendicular height, is 14 meter. So by the time we 2 here 1, 2 here 7. So multiplying 24 by 7, that will give us what? 168 meter square. So the area of this triangle is 168 meters square. So that is the solution to the problem. You can see how simple this is. This problem, the solution to this problem is. So do well to click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. And if you are joining us for the first time, comment, share, like, and subscribe to our video channel. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.